Everybody, and welcome back to Room 9. This is Mrs. Brewer, and I am a third grade teacher at Gordon Bush Elementary School in East St. Louis, Illinois. Welcome to third grade. You guys were in second grade last year, and now we're here. We're big, bad third graders. So I will be here today teaching you a math lesson for grade 3, but anybody is more than welcome to follow along and brush up on some of their math skills. As you can see, I am on my lunch hour, back inside my classroom. I don't have students here just yet, just like I'm sure most of you are at home learning too. So it's kind of a sad sight in here because all of us teachers really do miss having you boys and girls here in the classroom with us. But we do want you guys to be safe, and this is the safest way that we can teach you boys and girls still, even though we aren't able to see you here in person. So today I'm going to start off with you boys and girls, just like I am right here in my own classroom with my own third graders in my class that we've been Zooming and Google Meeting and all of those good things with. So before we can kick off anything else, we really kind of need to brush up on some of our skills that we left off with last year. And so I'm going to ask some of you boys and girls here, do any of you know what we do when we see this symbol? I'm back with my whiteboard here. What do we do when we see this symbol? Oh, you're right, we add. You're exactly right. When we see this symbol, it means addition. You are exactly right. Do you remember what the answer to an addition problem is called? So if I had the problem 3 plus 5, what is 3 plus 5? Can we follow that real quick? You're right, 3 plus 5 is 8. What do we call 8? What is the answer to an addition problem called? You're right, the answer to an addition problem is called the sum. You are exactly right, it is the sum. Okay, so we know when we find the sum of a problem here, we know that the 8, it's the answer to an addition problem. You're exactly right. So that's what we're going to work on today, boys and girls. We are going to practice addition, and we are going to work on the strategies that we use to find the answers to those addition problems, okay? And so today, to help us out a little bit, rather than me just give you problems on my whiteboard, we're going to make it a little bit more fun here for you boys and girls, okay? So I am going to get out my handy dandy, always ready to learn online virtual dice. So I'm going to share my screen with you boys and girls here real quick, okay? And we are going to go to my virtual dice here. So to be able to solve this problem, you can still see me here in the corner, and we're going to be working together here on this, all right? Still getting used to all this Zoom platform here, boys and girls, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and roll the dice. And when I roll the dice, I want you to add those two numbers together, and I want you to find the sum of what I rolled. Are we ready? Give me a thumbs up if we're ready. Awesome, awesome. I'm seeing some thumbs up out there. Thank you. All right, and our first addition problem we're going to practice is, what is this? We have 3 plus what? Plus 6. All right, take a second. What is the answer to 3 plus 6? That's right. You're so good. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now, those of you that know me already know I'm going to ask you, how did you get that? Why? Why is 3 plus 6, 9? What did you do to solve that? Oh, those are some really good strategies that you are using. You're exactly right. I heard someone say, well, I put up 6 fingers, right? And then I put up 3 more fingers. And when I have 6 fingers and put up 3 more fingers, what do I get? You're right, we got 9, okay? Oh, And I heard someone else say they did what? Okay, they went ahead and they counted up. So if I start with the biggest number, because it's always easier to count up the smaller number, right? The smaller number of times. So if I start out with 6, I'm going to count up 3. Now, this is where I see a lot of mistakes when we start counting up. I'm not going to count 6 as one of my 3, okay? So when I count up 3, okay, I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So you're right. 3 plus 6 is 9. Let's try another one. Should we roll again? All right. All right. This time we have what? 3 plus 5. So my equation for these dice would be 3 plus 5 equals, great job. 3 plus 5 is 8. Excellent job. Excellent job. Okay. Let's try to roll again here, shall we? 4 plus 5. What is the sum of 4 plus 5? You are exactly right. 4 plus 5 is 9. Great job. Let's go again. Oh. 2 plus 2. These are our what? These are our doubles. Anytime we add the same number together, there are doubles. What is 2 plus 2? You're right, it's 4. Great job. What's another strategy we could have used when we have these dice? Oh, you're exactly right. We could just count the dots here, can't we? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. This next time I roll, see if you can solve it by counting the dice, counting the dots on the dice. This is a good roll. Ooh, what do we get again? These are another doubles, aren't they? We just had double doubles, didn't we? All right. So this time let's count the dots. Let's see what we got. You're exactly right. It is 10. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Air high five. Air high five. Great job. You got this. Let's roll another one. All right. Now we have what? 6 plus 1. Count the dots again. What do we get? You're right. Anytime we add 1, we just count up 1. It's just what number comes next. So I have 6 plus 1. What number comes after 6? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more would be 7. You're exactly right, boys and girls. All right. Now with this next roll, if you have a piece of paper next to you, we're going to write out the equation. What is an equation, boys and girls? No, you're in 3rd grade now. Big bad 3rd graders, right? Okay. So we're going to start using 3rd grade vocabulary. An equation is no more than just your problem. You've been solving equations since kindergarten, maybe even preschool. But you didn't really think about, oh, I'm solving an equation. No, you worked on whatever problem your teacher or parents or grandparents or brother or sister gave you, right? You solved the problem, but you didn't realize, hey, I just did an equation, okay? So for this next one, I'm going to roll. I want you guys to solve this equation. I want you to write out the equation and solve it. If you don't have paper, write it in the air with your fingers. All right. See if we can write the equation for this. I'm going to write it here on my handy dandy whiteboard. Girls, I just rolled again. Let's see if we can do this one. Try this one. I'm so sorry. My dice got away from me. Let's write the equation to this one. Okay. And see if we can solve it too. I got mine. You got yours? All right. 1, 2, 3. Show me what you got. Does your equation look like mine? If it does, give me a big thumbs up. Give me a little happy dance if you got it. You're exactly right. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Great job. Great job. All right, let's try another one. Let's write the equation again for this one. All right, write this equation real quick and solve. See what you got in 1, 2, 3. Did you get this equation? If so, I want you to floss for me. 1, 2, 3, floss. Floss in here in my classroom. There's lots of floss in here in my classroom, let me tell you. You're right. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Great job. Great job. All right. Let's roll one more like this, and then I'm going to switch it up just a little bit for you boys and girls. All right, write the equation for this one and solve it. Find the sum. All right, show me what you got in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see an orange justice if you got it. You got 7, let me see it. 6 plus 1 equals 7. I've got a question real quick. Looking at these dice. Could I have written the equation differently? I think I could have. Could I have written the equation also as 1 plus 6? We know 6 plus 1 equals 7, right? But what about 1 plus 6? What does 1 plus 6 equal? Oh, that also equals 7 too, doesn't it? You are exactly right. This is because of the commutative property, boys and girls. It doesn't matter if we write the 6 first or the 1 first. Our answer is always going to be the same. What is the sum for both of my problems? You're right. The sum for both is 7. Great job. All right. Now, I promised you we weren't going to say this easy forever, right? Now, I'm going to add a dice. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and roll my 3 dice. And I want you to find the sum of these. We're not going to write the equation just right now. See if you can find the sum. But I have 3 plus 3 plus 4. What is the answer? Oh, if you got 10, I want to give me some fist in the air. If you got 10, you are correct. Now, how did you solve this? Okay, I heard some of you say you just went ahead and used the strategy we talked about earlier. You just counted all the dots. That's okay. Is there anything wrong with that? No, that's one of the strategies we talked about, right? What's another strategy you use? Oh, I heard someone say they knew 3 plus 3 were our doubles, right? So 3 plus 3 equals what? 6 plus another 4 equals what? So if I knew 3 plus 3 is 6, because I just know my doubles, then I can do what? I can count up how many more? 4. So if I'm already at 6, what am I going to start with? What comes after 6? You're right. 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer to this problem is 10. Let's try again. We're rolling one more time. Rolling my dice. Okay, let's add this one up. And I'm going to write the equation while you're solving this one. What'd you get? Okay, let's see if you're right. Now I'm going to show you how I solved this one. I'm going to do a little think aloud here. So when I looked at these numbers, there's one thing I saw right away. And I automatically paired that 4 and 6 together. Why do you think I put 4 and 6 together, boys and girls? I know about 4 plus 6? Oh, you're right. They equal what? 10. So when I think of 4 plus 6, I want to make this easy on me. I always look for fast 10s, boys and girls. And I had a class a couple years ago, Mr. Gavin Manning, if you're out there, this is for you, buddy. All right. I had a class a couple years ago that taught me about fast 10s. Can you believe that, boys and girls? I'm a teacher and they taught me something. I learned a lot from my students all the time. And my students told me they always look for fast 10s. I said, fast 10s, two numbers you add together to get 10. Because now when we look at this problem, 10 plus 3 is pretty easy, isn't it? Could we have added 3 plus 6? We could have, and then added 4, right? You know, the commutative property, we could have added them together, but is this a lot easier, added 10 plus 3? You're right. So always look for those fast 10s. So I know 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 3, you're right, is 13. Did anybody get 13 for the sum? Great job. If you did, you are so smart and ready for 3rd grade. Let's roll again and see what we get. There we go. So this time, let's see if we can solve this one. And then we're going to have you write equations after this one. Do we have a fast 10 here? Nope. So can we use the fast 10 strategy here? No, we can't we? Well, what do I have here? You're right, I do have doubles here, don't I? Absolutely, I have doubles I can use. So if you look here, I have 4 plus 4 plus 1, right? So I always chunk it. That's okay to do, right? What's 4 plus 4? You're right, that's 8. Those are our doubles. We should know our doubles, boys and girls. If you don't, you're going to need them for multiplication. So it's a good time now to start focusing on those doubles and brushing up on them. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and now I need to add 1. What do I have to do to add 1? Just count to the next number, right? Count up 1. So 8, what comes after 8 would be 9. So boys and girls, why do you think we couldn't have used our fast 10 strategy? You're exactly right, because was our answer even 10? No, we don't even have a 10 here, do we, at all? No, so we couldn't use our fast 10 strategy at all. That would have been a strategy that would not have worked here. Okay, now I'm going to roll again. I wanted to see if you boys and girls can write the equation for this one. All right, let's see if we can write the equation. We're getting lots of doubles today. That's good, though. We need to know those before we move into multiplication. And then go ahead and solve it, too. I can realize what numbers on here. All right. And show me what you got. Does yours look like mine? Does it look like this? Woohoo! If so, go ahead and do your favorite little dance move. Show me your best dance move you got. Oh, I like your best dance move. Way to celebrate. All right. So we had 3 plus 3. Those are our what again? Those are our doubles. What is 3 plus 3? You're right, it's 6. And what do we add to 6? We added 2. So we can count up 2, 7, 8. So our sum was 8. Great job. Great job. All right. So this next one I give you, I want you to solve it. And whatever the sum is, I want you to do that many jumping jacks. Okay, ready, set, go. So you're going to solve it and do that many jumping jacks. Wow. Jumping jacks. How many jumping jacks did you do? Wow, that's awesome. Let's look at this. You can count the dots on this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 jumping jacks. That's a lot. I'm going to write this equation out. And I'm going to see, could we have done a fast 10 here? No, we couldn't have. We don't have any of these that equal 10, but could we still think about that strategy? Right, what do I know about 6? What do I have to add to 6 to get 10? You're right, 4. But what do I know here? I just have how many? You're right, I just have 3. How many more do I need to get to 4? You're right, just 1. Just 1 more I need to get to 4. So what I could do is I could take this 2, and I'm going to break this 2 into 1 and 1. Kind of like a number bond if you've ever seen it. Because I know 1 plus 1 equals what? 2. And so this one here, I can kind of group together with 6 plus 3 plus 1. What does that give me? That gives me that fast 10, doesn't it? So I know that's 10 plus 1 more would be what? You're right, it would be 11. So I should have seen 11 jumping jacks. Did I see 11 jumping jacks? Good. All right, so now I'm going to add one more dice. Okay, let's see how we do with this one. I'm going to roll. I want you guys to find the sum. And this time, whatever the sum is, I want you to touch your toes that many times. All right, ready? On your mark, get set, go. All right, we rolled. Find the sum. Got the sum now? Now I want you to touch your toes that many times. Good job. Good job. How many times should we have touched our toes? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toe touches. All right, let's roll again here. All right, this time I want you to do this many arm circles. You know what arm circles, right? Take your arms and you circle them. All right, find the sum. Do that many arm circles for me, boys and girls. Oh, it looks like you're getting ready to fly. How many arm circles does Miss Brewer need to do? You're right, 11. We have 2 plus 4 is what? 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So I need to do 11, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, got them all. Woo, that was tiring. Okay, let's go ahead and roll again. All right, now I want you to find the sum of these 4 numbers. And if you did your arm circles forward the last time, I want you to do your arm circles again, but this time in the opposite direction. So if you went forward, I want you to circle them back. You went back, I want you to circle them forward, right? Let's go ahead and solve, and let's circle. On your mark, get set, go. It's a lot of arm circles I had you do, wasn't it? How many did you do? You're right. So look here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You did 15 arm circles. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. All right, last equation I'm going to give you, last problem, okay? We're going to roll again. All right, whatever your sum is this time with these 4 numbers, I want you to reach up to the sky that many times. So I want you to start with your arms at your side, reach up. So 1, that would be 2, okay? On your mark, get set, go. All right. How many reach-ups did you just have to do? Well, let's see if you're right. What's 1 plus 6? You're right, that's 7. 7 plus 5. You're right, that's 12. That's kind of a hard one sometimes. And 12 plus 2, let's count up 2, 13, 14. Did you do 14 reach-ups? If you did that, take your arms up high. Give me a great big stretch. Oh, it's so tiring getting back to math, isn't it, boys and girls? Absolutely not. It's math. We love math. So here we are with math again. Math makes my brain wide awake and ready to go. So hopefully you boys and girls feel the exact same way. If you rock through these, you're going to rock through those first couple weeks of 3rd grade, no problem. I know, boys and girls, you got this. I know it's a different start to the school year. We wish you were here too. Trust me, my classroom is very, very lonely, waiting for students to come in and join me as well. Well, boys and girls, it was a great day today adding with you. We are going to hopefully add some more and do some more things tomorrow. Okay, I will be here every day with you. All right, or Monday through Friday at least. And boys and girls, have a great night, and I hope to see you back here for class tomorrow.
Teaching in Room 9 is made possible with support of Bank of America, Dana Brown Charitable Trust, Emerson, and viewers like you.